What's going on, everybody? It's been a minute since I've uploaded a haircut tutorial video, but we're back and let's just get right into it. I am doing a high mid skin comb over right here, and as you can see, I'm just starting off with my 1A metal 1A clip, and I'm just going right up and out of the side of the head right here, and it kind of makes its own kind of blend already, like a soft blend already onto it. So that helps me set my my top part of like roughly how long I want the hair to be on the higher side of the fade. So now I'm just going through with my 3-0 metal clip right here, and I'm just setting my skin line, and I'm just going around and dipping it slightly in the back, not too much, keeping it right about the temple of the head, and just clearing out, making way for my trimmers. And as you can see, I just finished getting the electric trimmers, the Braun Sport Edition ones. One of the barbers over here at my new shop was telling me that I should give these ones a try. Picked me up a pair, and it was a really good decision because I am very happy with these. As you can see, I'm just going through, and this is all real time right here, and it's just taking out that hair. It's just eating through it like nothing. I'm very happy with these. That's a metal 3. That's a 3-0 right there, and normally I would have to take it down to like a 5-0 or with the liners for my previous electric trimmers to be able to get through there. And even then, it would be more of a process. Definitely not as fast. But yeah, these are just eating through the hair like nothing, and I'm very happy with them. I would highly recommend for anybody to check them out. I like the trimmer they have on the back. Just makes it quicker and easier for me to take out any of the longer hairs that I might have missed, and just keep on going, just keep on skinning it. But yeah, so I go through now with my half clip all the way closed, and I'm just doing about an inch up, maybe slightly less than an inch, and I'm just hitting that up right there. And I'm opening it all the way up and just flicking out a little higher. I just feel like that half clip just kind of blends into that 1A real nicely. I've tried a lot of different techniques out, and this is one that I'm really happy with. I used to use different clips and different machines and stuff like that, but I really like using the walls right now. And in the future, I'll probably experiment with different clips and stuff. I was really looking at getting some of the new FX3 from Bevless, but maybe in the future, maybe when they come out with a different color than just red. But yeah, I don't know. For now, I'm very happy with my system. Now, as you can see, I'm just going through open and close with no clip, just using the corners and plucking out some of those dark spots, right, as you can see. And yeah, it's just creating a nice little blend that I'm liking. Whatever works for you as far as your method and technique. This is just what I do. There's plenty of different ways of achieving a good fade. Now I'm just going through with my one clip, open and close, just kind of hitting a little bit of the extra stuff I see, setting up for whenever I trim the top, and then just kind of get that little in-between area. Now I'm going through with the back with the 1.5, trying to get the little cowlick to where I want it. As you can see, he has a heavy cowlick back here, and I'm just trying to do the same technique roughly, getting that blend in. You got to kind of hit the hair at different angles, especially on spots of the head like this where he has a heavy cowlick going on. Doing the same thing with my magic clip, closed, open, no clip on it. And just blending out that last skin line Also, what helps is whenever I'm skinning it with electric razor, when I get to the top part, I like to just tap it, kind of get rid of that last skin line, so that way I don't have such a harsh skin line to have to get out later with my machine. But yeah, I'm going through on the other side, and I'm just doing the same technique with my half clip closed, going up about 1 inch, and yeah, you can see it already sets me up to where I kind of want to be. Now I just have the half clip. Everyone's head is like different, so different divots and stuff like that in the head. So on those parts, you're gonna have to just work it a little bit more to get some of those hairs to get cut and to blend into where you want it to be, you know. Compared to like the side of the head right here where it's just straight, really, I'm just going through with my half clip open, and that's just blending right into where I had that 1A metal clip already. And yeah, I'm just blending that in, just flicking it up and out. Closing it slightly, getting some of those little darker hairs, just getting that out the fade. Now I'm working on the skin line, getting that out of there, just doing the same technique, open and close. And the more you get used to cutting hair, you just start to already know where to hit it with the trimmer open, you know, and you just get used to doing that with just more experience behind the chair, you know. Now I'm going through with my trimmers, with my T-outliners, and just getting some of the little spots, the little dark spots that I had noticed on the hair. And when I'm cutting hair, I'm looking at stuff like straight on, you know, too, so I can see any little blends. I'm not only looking at it from one angle, looking at it in the mirror, you know, so I can notice other stuff I might have missed just looking at it dead on. So now from there, I like to go to the top and just trim it to where the top length is going to be, so that way I can get that final transition blend from the higher part of the fade to the top part of the head. Like right now, I'm just going through with my clipper over comb. Now that I have the top length where I want it, I'm just getting that final blend in and getting some of those darker spots I'm noticing out. Just taking some of those longer hairs out. You see, just pulling it up and out with my fade comb right here. And I like to hit it normally open, or at least halfway open, so I can just get, you know, it gives me a little bit of leeway, so I can just kind of get the hair that I'm looking to. And on the back right here, I left that a little longer just because I'd either have to cut it in more shorter so it wouldn't stick up. And I know he's going to be wearing gel, so that back part's going to be laying down anyways when he has gel in his hair, so I didn't want to hit too much off of that. So now I'm just working the front right here, just giving him a little line up, keeping it more natural looking. He already has a good lineup, so there's not too much I got to do to it. Just basically cleaning it up, you know, getting some of the longer hairs out of there, and giving him just a little bit of a definition in the front right here. Always using my comb to get all the little hairs that get in the way, so I can see better what it is I'm looking at, what I'm cutting, and what's already been cut. Now I'm going through with the straight razor, just going right up to that line. I always hit behind the ears too, because sometimes there's longer hairs that kind of stay there, that you might have missed, so I like to do that. But yep, this is the cut. Let me know what you guys think. I'm happy with how this came out, and there's gonna be a lot more cuts on the way. I have just started working back over at this shop next to my house, so I'll be producing more haircut tutorials for you guys. Let me know if there's anything in particular you guys would like to see. Yep, I appreciate you guys for sticking around, and I'll see you guys all on the next one. Later.